Blender animation tutorial. Alright, here we go. First, quick, model something. Alright, good. Model. Yes, model. Alright, next. Keyframe. Object mode. All of these keyframes. Location rotation. Alright, jump ahead like 40 frames. Alright, grab it. That's your next keyframe. Location rotation. Alright, got it. Okay, animation. This is your viewport. This is what the camera sees. So make sure your cube is visible. Alright, zoom out a bit. Zoom out. Alright, and then test your animation. Beautiful. Alright, make sure over here, somewhere around here, right here. Alright, so by default, it's going to save it as a chain of PNG images. It takes up like 2 gigabytes for like half a second, and it's really unnecessary. So API JPEG, it's a video. Alright, make sure it goes into desktop or wherever you want to save it to. Accept. And that's it. That's an animation. Render animation. I don't want to be here anymore. How many frames do I have? Oh, you see, this is too many frames. That's 250 frames. No, I don't want like. Sorry. Just gonna have to kill that one. Sorry, man, you're dead. I want 30 frames, so it renders faster. Alright, here we go. Render animation. Make sure everything's good. And yeah, I'm running in 1080. That's nice, but you know, gotta have quality. So frame 4. It'll go a lot faster for 720, but doesn't matter now. There it goes. Alright, and then right there. And there you go, you're a professional CG artist. Alright, let's go. Pog.